Let's talk about real donation processing power and how to maximize it. When someone gives online, two systems are working behind the scenes. Stripe is the payment processor. It securely moves money from a donor's card or bank to your organization's bank. It handles encryption, fraud detection, PCI compliance, and the transfer of funds. Stripe processes payments for millions of organizations worldwide, including thousands of nonprofits. Operating at that scale means strong security infrastructure, modern payment support, and reliable global payouts. Donorbox is the donation platform. It creates your donation form, collects donor information, manages recurring gifts, sends receipts, and tracks reporting. Stripe manages the security, and Donorbox orchestrates it. Together, we'll connect Stripe to Donorbox, configure it correctly, and make sure your donation experience is secure and optimized from day one. Let's start inside Donorbox. We'll move between Donorbox and Stripe as we go. If you're new to Donorbox, head to donorbox.org and create your organization account. It's straightforward and a pretty speedy process. You'll be asked a series of questions, starting with your country and organization details. Just follow the prompts. If you're in the US, you may be asked to confirm federal registration and enter your EIN, so have them on hand. Once complete, you'll be in your Donorbox dashboard. If you already have a Donorbox account, but you haven't yet connected to Stripe, log in to your dashboard. This is where we begin. From the left-hand menu, go to Settings and select Payment Processors. You'll see Stripe listed. Click Connect Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe's secure onboarding page. All good, take a breath. That's normal. When verification is complete, Stripe sends you back to Donorbox and your account will show you as connected. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in. If not, create one and follow Stripe's setup process. It's designed to be as simple as possible, but you will need your nonprofit's information close at hand. Stripe will ask for organization details, legal representative information, bank account details, and verification documentation if required. After you submit this information, Stripe will verify your account. In many cases, verification is instant. In some cases, Stripe may request additional documentation before fully activating the account. Once Stripe confirms your account, it will automatically redirect you back to Donorbox. When you return and see Connected, you're ready to configure the account. In your Stripe dashboard, confirm that your account type reflects your nonprofit status, if applicable. Here's why. Stripe offers discounted processing fees for qualifying nonprofits, but to qualify, at least 80% of your Stripe account's payment volume must be tax-deductible donations, meaning ticket sales, memberships, tuition, registration fees, and auction payments generally don't count towards that threshold. To apply, log into your Stripe account and submit a nonprofit pricing request through Stripe support. You'll typically need your EIN or 501c3 letter, the primary email linked to your Stripe account, confirmation that 80% or more of your payment volume is tax deductible. Remember, always, and I mean always, confirm your eligibility directly through Stripe support documentation before assuming discounted rates apply at the point of transaction. But protecting revenue at the moment of donation matters too. Donorbox offers donors the option to cover transaction fees at checkout, and many do. Now that you're connected to Stripe, add your organization's bank account inside your Stripe dashboard. This is where Stripe deposits your donation funds. Stripe lets you choose a payout schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, or manual, depending on how you manage cash flow. For nonprofits running campaigns in multiple countries, payout timing matters for planning and reporting. And here's a useful note. Payout speed and payout schedule are different. Speed depends on your country. In the US, payouts usually land in 1 to 2 business days. Internationally, it can take about a week. The money can become available in Stripe before it actually pays out to your bank. That's the normal process. Available means cleared. Payout is when Stripe sends it. Once banking is confirmed and your payout schedule is set, you're ready to accept live transactions. Before going live, make sure Stripe is enabled as a payment method on your donation form. If you're using Donorbox Live for in-person giving, before launching publicly, run a small test donation and verify it appears in both Stripe and Donorbox. With Stripe connected, your secure processing infrastructure is in place. But donors don't see that. They see your donation form. And that's where Donorbox OmniGive comes in, a donation form designed to work with Stripe at the precise point that donors complete the gift or drop off. With OmniGive, you can offer suggested donation amounts, prompt recurring giving clearly, accept digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, enable Stripe Link for faster checkout, support autofill where available, deliver a clean mobile-first layout, offer 22 plus payment methods globally. Stripe ensures every payment is secure. OmniGive ensures giving feels simple. Security processes the gift. Experience completes it. For recurring donations, Stripe manages secure payment retries if a card fails. Donorbox tracks the plan, updates the donor record, and keeps reporting accurate, reducing admin and protecting retention. Once a gift is confirmed, Donorbox takes it from there. Automated receipts go out instantly. Donor history updates in real time. CRM integrations stay in sync. Reporting reflects the new revenue immediately. Stripe secures the transaction. Donorbox manages the relationship. Stripe delivers secure, compliant payment infrastructure. Donorbox manages your fundraising experience, online and in person. Connected, configured, built for growth. Want to see what that looks like in the real world? Head to donorbox.org. Real case studies, real results, and everything you need to raise more.